they're back. Is that Pickle's cage? Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MMTY155. This is a 1995 Toyota MR2 non-turbo. Very clean car. It's had a repaint. Do a walk around though, show you the front left hit that it took. 175,000 miles. Isn't it right here, Andy? There it is. A Toyota, is that a 2.2? 2.2. Toyota 2.2 liter, running well there. 5S FE. 5S FE. And the Emmy for World's Worst Dipstick Placement goes to Toyota. That is just silly. Let's do a walk around though, and then actually we'll have Andy put it in gear.
Okay, I can do that.
We like incorporating other people into our test videos. Do we got reverse?
Sounds like it.
Ah! He took the cart with him. Do we have drive?
Sounds like it. Ooh,
we got drive.
AC.
We got AC.
Woo!
Let's do a walk around while Andy enjoys his air conditioning here. Nice doors. Wheels are a little bit better, or sorry, wheels have seen better days. Driver's side headlight may not have made it. We're gonna, no, yeah, it's no good. We're not popping that out. Looks like the door made it on this side. There's Mason working hard. Hey Mason. It puts the lotion on the skin.
Rolls against the hose again.
And then it scrubs the LTD. Is that a 1970 Hemi Cuda?
Yeah.
All right, back to the Mr. 2. Nice rear bumper. Spoiler is going to be sold as a 3-piece assembly. Factory exhaust with overspray not included. Taillights are going to be sold complete. Front, left, right.
Front taillights.
The front taillights will come with the rear taillights. Left, right, center. This bad boy is very clean inside. We're going to have a nice interior for sale. Some door panels. A nice blue cloth seat set. A little bit of wear here. Oh yeah, Manuel. All right, let's step inside. Ooh, nice OEM dashboard. It got broken up there though. Have a nice cluster for sale. Let's test that climate control. Yep, those are all working. Glove box, tested. Wiper motors, broken. Driver's window, up, down, you know.
Yes, we have been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Did you put the lotion on the skin yet? Then I will purchase the warranty.
Good.
Robo-dialer be gone. Passenger door panel is in great shape. Uh-oh, they're back. They're back. Is that Pickle's cage? Pickle's cage. Nice OEM back window. OEM sunroof. It is Manuel. We're not going to mess with that. All right. Oh, let's see if I forgot the mirrors. Oh no! Oh no! We got down. We got up. We got left. We got right. We got right. We got left. We got up. We got down. That's broken. Did no work.
Yep, did not get listed.
Did no work. I know what I'm doing. This is my second day on the job. I knew the wipers were no good. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for MMTY154, our 1995 Toyota MR2, affectionately known as the Mr. 2 around here. The owner had a whoopsie once and called it a Mr. 2. If you guys are looking for any parts off this AW20 Toyota, I'll leave a link down below to our website, www.jandjautoWrecking.com. Man, I'm out of breath after that one, Beltane. Or you can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I recommend going on the website and using that text app. Get your sales rep right on your phone, order all the parts. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.